Welcome to
Hainan Railway Museum.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Yo! Good morning everyone. Today we are in Hainan Railway Museum.
大家好，我们现在在海南邦在博物馆。
怎么样？感觉怎么样？
太好了，
太好了！你第一次来过吗？
对对对，是第一次来。
欢迎来到东方。
好，谢谢。
Cheers！
Yes。
我想去没有人香格里拉。
You see my behind? One of the oldest railway in China. You see the design? Wow. Like living fossil in front of me. Wow. There are so many.
I'm gonna pack my things and leave you behind. This feeling's all
It feels like a bench in the park. But it's really good. I never have been to this kind of museum.
my soul. Cause you were cool and I'm a fool. So please let me go. But I love you so. Please let me go. I love you so. Please let me go. I love you so. Please let me go. I love
And the weather is super good today. Like, this is my first time to come to this railway museum. Can you imagine? This train is a living fossil in Hainan and it's huge. That time it's huge.
Spend my time without her. You're everything I want, but I can't deal with all your lovers. You're saying I'm the one, but it's your actions that speak louder. Giving me love and you are down and need another.
And this is Hainan Railway Museum. I will see you another time. Bye bye.